In the vast expanse of the cosmos, where the mysteries of the universe beckon humanity's curiosity, one nation has consistently risen to the forefront of exploration: China. With a rich history that stretches back millennia, China's modern quest for understanding the cosmos has been a testament to its scientific prowess and determination. It began with humble beginnings, rooted in the ancient traditions of astronomy and celestial navigation. Chinese astronomers meticulously recorded celestial events, mapping the movements of stars and planets with astonishing accuracy. This early fascination with the heavens laid the foundation for China's future endeavors in space exploration. Fast forward to the 20th century, a time of rapid technological advancement and the dawn of the space age. China, like many nations, was captivated by the possibilities that space exploration presented. However, it wasn't until the late 20th and early 21st centuries that China truly asserted itself as a major player in space exploration. The pivotal moment came in 2003 when China launched its first manned space mission, becoming only the third nation in the world to independently send humans into space. This historic feat, achieved with the launch of the Shenzhou 5 spacecraft and astronaut Yang Liwei aboard, marked a significant milestone in China's space program and signaled its intent to explore beyond Earth's boundaries. From that moment on, China accelerated its efforts in space exploration with ambitious goals and meticulous planning. The Chinese Space Agency, CNSA, China National Space Administration, embarked on a series of missions that included lunar exploration, Mars exploration, and the development of its own space station. One of the most notable achievements came with the Chang'e program, named after the Chinese goddess of the moon. Chang'e 1, launched in 2007, orbited the moon and provided detailed maps of its surface. This success was followed by Chang'e 3 in 2013, which made China the third country to successfully land a rover on the lunar surface, after the United States and the Soviet Union. China's Mars exploration efforts reached new heights with the Tianwen-1 mission, launched in 2020. This ambitious endeavor included an orbiter, a lander, and a rover, aiming to study Mars's atmosphere, surface, and geology. In May 2021, China made history once again by successfully landing its Zhurong rover on Mars, becoming the second country to achieve a soft landing and rover deployment on the Red Planet. These achievements underscore China's growing capabilities and its commitment to pushing the boundaries of space exploration. The nation's advancements in space technology, from launch vehicles to spacecraft design, have positioned it as a key player in the global space community. But China's role in space exploration extends beyond technological prowess. It reflects a broader vision of international cooperation and scientific discovery. The country has actively engaged in partnerships with other nations, contributing expertise and resources to collaborative efforts, such as the International Space Station, ISS, and joint missions with European and Russian space agencies. Moreover, China's space endeavors inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. They symbolize the power of determination and innovation, showing that with dedication and hard work, the stars are within reach. Looking ahead, China continues to set ambitious goals for its space program, including plans for lunar resource utilization, Mars sample return missions, and the construction of a permanent space station. These aspirations not only aim to expand humanity's understanding of the universe, but also to forge new frontiers in space exploration.